Hello, this is Christian Ochoa with MISO BIM.
This tutorial topic is on levels and plan views. This course is considered a beginner level. You will learn to create, modify, and delete levels and plan views. Levels are one of the major components of Revit. They act as a reference for level-hosted elements such as roofs, floors, ceilings, and walls. The easiest way to think about levels is to see them as infinite horizontal planes that have a set height. You can have as many levels in your project as you wish, but the minimum number of levels you must have is 1. Plan views are 2D views of your 3D model on a certain level. They are associated to a level, so if you move a level's height, the associated plan view will always show the correct representation. If you delete a level, all associated views will also be deleted. By default, a project file comes with 2 levels. The levels can be seen when you open up an elevation window. They are the dashed black lines with a blue elevation marker at the end. Click on the dashed line of level 1 and you can view its properties on the properties palette. In this case, the family name is level 1/4 inch head. This level is located at 0 feet, but you can change that by typing in a number in the elevation bar on the properties palette, dragging the dashed line up or down, moving it with the move tool, or by clicking on the elevation parameter under the level name and typing in a new elevation number. The blue elevation marker at the end indicates that this level has associated views, and if you double click it, you will open one of its views. In this case, the floor plan level 1 view opens. You have the option of pinning your levels so that you don't accidentally move them later on. To do so, select the level and above the modify panel, select the pin tool or type in the shortcut PN. To unpin it, you have to select the level again and click on the unpin symbol that appears over it. To delete a level, select it, make sure it's not pinned, and press delete, or type the shortcut DE. If you try to delete level 2, a warning window will appear, notifying you that the associated view of level 2 will also be deleted. You can delete floor plan views and still have levels, but once you delete a level, all views associated to it will also be deleted. To create a new level, go to the Architecture tab above the Datum panel and click on the Level tool or type in the shortcut LL. Click once to set the start point and click again to set the end point along with the elevation height symbol. You can move it to the correct height or type in the elevation number. By using the Level tool, associated plan and ceiling plan views were also created. If you rename it, a warning window will appear asking you if you want to rename its corresponding views. Click yes and notice that the new views associated to the level are now renamed as well. Another way to create a level is by copying an existing level such as level 2 and placing it above or below the copied level. When you do this, Revit will automatically name the level, but you can rename it. When you copy and paste a level in, there are no associated views created, and the black elevation marker is an indication of that. You can see that there are no views connected to this level, even when you double click on the marker. To create a plan view, go to the View tab, and above the Create panel, select the Plan View tool and click on the Floor Plan option. A dialog window will appear. Uncheck Do Not Duplicate Existing Views, and then select the level you need. Another way to do this is by simply right-clicking on a floor plan view and duplicating the view. Remember that the view you just duplicated will have the same associated level of the view you chose to duplicate from. If you just created a new level, the only way to make a plan view set at that new level is to use the floor plan tool. That concludes our beginner course on levels and plan views. Thanks for watching.